Kanti lokuhlangana lelibandla selikwende umkhuba kuhlangana netisebenzi uma kusuka umnyaka kude batawubukisana luhla lwekusebenta lweminyaka bakhulumise tindzaba tekuthi yini lengabamcoka kude kusebenta kwabo ngeminyaka kulethe inzuzo ekugcineni. Lobambe kuba ngumphathi welidlela Ndvongeni futhi Tembe uvetile ukuthi kumcoka ukuthi bahlangane bacabangele labathintekako phecelezi ama-stakeholders kude kube nekusebenta lokulula. Tembe uphindze waveta ukuthi kumcoka kuhlela ukuthi yini lemele bayinake kusasetshenzwa kukhuthazwe tona tisebenzi ukuthi tisebente ngekutikhandla tisasebentela live.
Corporate will lead us eku-reviewing so that sibone ukuthi what is it we've achieved, where do we need to put more effort, and they will be communicating ukuthi sikwenta njani, just to let each and every one of us know, and also to request all departments to, before corporate atobuka ukuthi ngabe atosida nathi ezisicala umnyaka lo, let us take the corporate strategy and review so that we align the performance yethu going forward. As I end, allow me to express my appreciation to all of you for the love you continue to show for this organization. I am also grateful to have been afforded the opportunity to hold the fort in leading the fund at this time, and I'm confident that with your help and support, we can reach amazing heights. Let us come back on Monday, ready to serve our members with the incredible excellence we are known for.
Kanti-ke njengoba tonke timvo setisebenta simanje ngemishina nebuchwephesha, tisebenzi tifundziswe ngekusebenta ngesimanje. Lesinye isikhulumi sivetile ukuthi tindlela takudzala ngeke tisasebenta, kumcoka ukuthi bente taba tekubamba lizinga lesimanje basebentise imicondvo lemisha kude bahambisane nemigomo yelive.
Noma ngabe ufuye tinkomo, collect the data. Understand ukuthi ngifita nini, ticetha nini, ihlala nini pass to regurgitate, and then every month there's a method of weighing inkomo nyalo ngithi elibhande. Check ukuthi if I feed like this, what is the conversion rate? Because if you don't do it, your neighbor will do it and they will outpace you.
And the success of the implementation of the change. And I digress to say the following. One of my criticisms as an advocate for change is we should have, as change champions, we should have tolerance for people who question the change. Because it is through their questions that we're able to implement robustly considered changes. It's an important phase where people resist, question, and make counter proposals to the change. If we can harness those ideas and understand those questions, it will assist us to communicate the change program even better because we know what aspects of the change aren't making sense to people. So it becomes important that even as we see people embracing change, we also encourage people to challenge the change until change makes sense, so that those of us who have the responsibility of advocating and driving that change can make sure that that change actually does make sense.
Kuyake tendzabeni te-channel emaswati nginokulunga malaza titfombe ngujulisa mamba ezulwini.